Hello, my beautiful Globetrotters. Hey, I wanted to speak to you about our new apparel range, specifically our Globetrotting bombachas. That's how you pronounce it. It's an Argentinian word. I fell in love with these riding pants probably about 12 years ago when I was in Argentina and haven't stopped riding in them since. Like, I am obsessed. I have so many pairs. I have corduroy pairs. I have white ones for when I play polo. I have thicker ones, lighter weight ones, and I just absolutely love them. And every time I ride in them, I get a comment from Globetrotters asking where I got them, how can they get some. They're over, riding in, jodhpurs or britches or whatever. Like, I just literally, I can't get enough of them. Anyway, so COVID happened, right? And we had an opportunity to work on our GT apparel range. And with that were the bombachas that I've been wanting to put together and launch for a long time. We had been sending people to a Argentinian online shop to buy their own, but it was absolutely fraught with danger in terms of trying to deal with them in Spanglish and working out sizing and all of that. So we've managed to put together a women's range first because majority of our Globetrotters are women, and one color, one fabric. Again, I have so many bombachas, so I've literally compiled my favorite bombacha in terms of fabric and color and launched it to you guys. And that it's been a pre-order product because we just are hoping to get the first stock drop by the end of December, más o menos. But I wanted to tell you why I freaking love these pants. So here they are here. These are our Globetrotting pants, right? And I'll probably show you some photos based on this. But so we've got the inner lining, which is really nice of our Globetrotting. These are a size 10. So they're just a really nice lightweight pant, okay? So no matter your size, figure, they don't cling to your body. They breathe really well in summer, and they're really hardy. So when you're riding in Africa with hook thorns and things like that, it's very hard to, to rip them. Also, when you're riding up in the Kimberley, they're also lovely and lightweight. And you don't get those sort of burrs attached to them like you would with some of the riding tights that you have. And then they literally just drop from the waist, and then at the bottom near the ankle there's a button, right, that you button up near your ankle, and then you put your boots on and your chaps or your long boots depending. So when I'm not riding, this buckle is undone and I just walk around in my my Toms, my espadrilles or my riding boots. When I go to ride, I do the button up, it's pretty self-explanatory, and then put my chap on or put my long boot on, and they're my riding pants. And then I can they've got such dual purpose because then I also can wear them when I'm walking around the city, prior to my ride starting, around the campfire. They're just the amazing pants, and I feel, depending on your figure, I feel like they're really flattering. And we chose navy obviously for our first color just because it makes sense when you're horses equal dirt. So navy is very forgiving. You can ride in them 3 days in a row. That's what I do. And you're good. They've got really nice darts at the back. Again, you can't probably see that, but that's why I love bombachas. That's how you pronounce it. But don't worry if you can't pronounce that. Over, jodhpurs. In saying that, I have turned into being an eventer and I have to wear jodhpurs, but very rarely. If I'm going trail riding, if I'm playing polo, I wear my Argentinian bombachas. So I hope that helps you in terms of why you should get a pair of these. Thank you.